Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone trumps. Dharma Rakhyati Rakshitaha, that means Dharma protects those who protect the Dharma. Good evening, one and all respected judges, guests, and everyone participating in this event. I, Priyanshu from Madhusudan Law University, stand before you to have a deliberate discussion on the very topic of should India introduce harsher penalties for the perjury to deter the false testimony in the court. Before going into the topic, let us know what exactly is perjury. Perjury means giving false evidences in the eyes of law. Under section 227 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, it provides giving false statement or evidences is a criminal offense. Under section 229, it criminalizes and punishes an individual under this offense for a maximum period of imprisonment which may extend to 7 years. I repeat, 7 years. 7 years of imprisonment itself shows the rigorous nature of the offense. I stand firmly against increasing the harsher penalties in the country where the punishment is already 7 years of imprisonment along with fine that would extend to 10,000 rupees is already causing the witness who is convicted under this provision have mental harassment and trauma within the society and have his status in question before the society. We live in a country where truth and truthfulness are deeply rooted in the justice system. We are the people of the country who taught the whole world the value of truth and Trump and the dharmas. We stand over here citing the cases where false evidences are given by the people which have produced injustice in the system of law. In the very case of Baban Singh versus Jagdish Singh, the Supreme Court affirmed that providing false testimony or false statement is a criminal offense under the Act and should be convicted. But can increasing the harsher punishment is the only solution in order to decrease this false testimony provided by the accused persons? No. It's the implementation of the present law that we already have in our country in order to decrease and reduce the number of cases of false testimony. We do not live in a country where punishment is the only rule to mitigate or neglect the false testimony provided by the individuals. We live in a country where we are supposed to have readdressal mechanism that would help the individual not to commit that particular same crime once again in his future. That's why the proper implementation of the present act is highly necessary along with the awareness among the individual. Not everyone present in the country knows about the law. We as legal students, we as legal professionals are responsible and have a duty to provide awareness to each and everyone so that everyone will be aware and have a discussion on the same. Thank you.